Alright, so in this video we're going to look at a simple exercise you can practice to help develop the second push of a crossover. Now I see a lot of people doing this on their crossovers. They get a nice push here and nothing. Push, nothing, okay? So this is a very simple exercise. It's just going to help you force yourself to practice that second push a little bit more. So the exercise goes as follows. You do your first push here, and as you get there, you're going to do cross, together, cross, like so. It's really simple, but just forces you to practice a little bit more that second cross. So push, cross, together, cross, okay? And you keep practicing around the circle. So what we're looking to do here basically is you have the first push here, you do a normal cross, but from this cross position, you're going to bring the foot back in close together to the other one. You're going to replace onto the outside edge so that you're in kind of like this position, and then you're going to take a second push. So you're doubling up basically. So push, cross, cross, cross. Now what you're looking to do when you do this exercise is not let the hips twist out this way. You do push, and as you're doing the cross and cross, you see my hips are going to stay at this kind of angle the whole time, like this and like this, okay? I'm not going to do cross and open the hip and come back, because you're not going to be able to get the power in the cross afterwards, okay? So here, cross and cross. Now what I also do is as I come in with the cross behind and change the weight to the back foot again and lift up the front leg, I really bend and press into the ice. And as I'm performing the cross for the second time, the focus is trying to keep the grip and the contact with the ice as long as you can, because ultimately that's where you're going to get your power from, okay? If I'm not into the ice here with my hips under me, driving through the hips, I can't get a push there, okay? So the mistake would be kind of like here, not bending and falling onto that front foot. So then you're losing all the kind of power and drive you could get. So again, edge, cross. The mistake here, nothing on the second push. Edge, cross, cross behind, bend, and you can like grip and get a bit of push. It's not a particularly comfortable exercise. It's kind of awkward, but it really does force you to use both pushes in the crossover, and practicing this, you're going to make your crossovers a lot more efficient afterwards.